Good morning, gang. So, I'm going to be doing an interview today with Owen Smith, the comedian. Instagram name, Owen Smith for real. So, this morning I'm going to bike to Whole Foods, just down the road, it's a couple of miles away, and I'm going to pick up some ingredients to make up some awesome, tasty vegan food. When I was at the comedy store the other night, there must have been like 3 or 4 comedians all made jokes about how expensive Whole Foods was. Holy crap, it's expensive out here. We spent like $70 for the recipe I want to make today. Don't get me wrong, I've got a few extra things, but not $70 worth. Crazy. So it's raining out here. I'm just going to bike back to the apartment now. Yo, so Owen's on his way over. I'm just prepping stuff. Boiling a few potatoes down there, chopping a few things. Got Rogan on in the background. Got the camera set up. I'm looking forward to shooting. I've been looking forward to interviewing Owen for a long time, so this interview will come out after this vlog 100% because I need to wait till I get home to edit it. It just takes too long on my laptop, so yeah, I'm really looking forward to putting it out though. It's gonna be really cool to finally get a good chance to chat to him. I spoke to him the other night at the comedy store. And hopefully I'm hoping to see a set of his while I'm still out here, but we'll see. But yeah, really looking forward to this one, gang. Yo, here with Owen Smith. We've been chatting about doing this for ages and we've finally hooked it up. So we're gonna make some gnocchi and
so excited about this.
Yeah, make a tasty sauce with it as well. We're gonna get cooking.
Absolute pleasure having you on today. We're still eating.
No, that's it. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Be nice to each other.
Yes.
And goodbye.
Bye.
So just finished filming.
Oh.
Man,
it's so good.
Made some gnocchi because I heard Owen talking about on the Rogan show how he wanted to make it.
Look at the internet.
Super simple, yeah?
Yeah, look at the internet working, baby.
Yeah.
This is super simple. I can't wait to make it.
Yeah.
This is really good.
That's what we got right here.
Yeah, man.
Super tasty,
Colorful.
really healthy.
Yeah.
Some beautiful food. Nice conversation on the video,
Yeah,
so.
can't wait y'all check it out.
Yeah, I can't wait for that.
Yeah.
I just want to Owen literally just walked out now, and I just want to, while it's fresh in my mind after a conversation, what a thoughtful, inspiring guy. Mind-blowing. Like the conversations we just had and stuff, he's a really, really good dude. I'd really urge you to go and check his stuff out. But just like, as a person, like not even just as a performer, as a person, I cannot speak highly enough of that guy, so when you meet people like that, I just think it's, not everyone says it. Like people meet someone that they feel like is a really cool person or whatever, and then they don't talk about it, and people like are a bit ashamed of their feelings or whatever. But he's a really, really cool dude. So yeah, that was awesome.
Ready to jump in the weight loss express lane? West Medical's clients lose an average of 25 pounds the first month and 10 to 15 pounds a month until they reach their goal weight, just like...
Right, we're at Cena Vegan. So tell me about what is this place?
Oh, they just called our name!
Oh, sweet, here we go.
You enjoy.
Vegan Cuban food. Oh, baby. Well, so you bite into that, baby. Get involved. Oh. I'll have to go for this.
Oh, just wait, no, we just get one pop.
Hey friends, so I've just got an Uber back. Really great to meet Jeanette tonight and to chill with Heather again. We went and got some Mexican vegan food, and we also got some donuts, which were so tasty. And then I've just got an Uber back and had a nice long chat with Eric, the Uber driver, about how his daughters, well, one of his daughters has gone vegan and the other daughter is looking to go vegan. And he's asked me all about how vegans get the protein. He's asked me all about the ethics of like animals and if there's any such thing as like ethical killing animals and things like that. like ethical meat. Great, really good conversation with him. He's a really nice guy and he seemed really open to it, which was super good as well. So I've given him my website and I'm giving him my Instagram, and he says he's going to get in touch if he has any more questions. So, I mean, you can't really do more than that, can you? He seemed like a nice guy. So thank you very much for watching today. Be nice to each other. Goodbye.